The day starts beautifully with the kitten happily playing with its toy. Mother cat is happily preparing breakfast for the kitten.
Hi, Mother Cat. I'm here to play with the kitten.
Hello, Chucky. It was nice to meet you.
Hello, my friend. Come on, let's go to the room and play together.
I'm going to the market. You guys enjoy and take care.
Okay, Mom, you go. We are playing together.
The kitten and Chucky have started their painting adventure.
This is so much fun. I can't stop enjoying it. Oh no, these clothes are messed up. I'll clean them before Mom gets here.
The kitten was washing clothes, and suddenly, the kitten got stuck in the machine.
Chucky, I need help. I'm stuck in the washing machine. Please give me your hand. Okay, buddy. I'm coming to help you out.
Oh no, Chucky locked the machine and turned it on.
Now the fun will come. Please don't do this.
Oh no, Chucky put the kitten in the machine and now acting like he didn't do anything.
Hello? Please, Mother Cat. It's an emergency. Come quickly.
Okay, I'm coming. Chucky escaped from the house before Mother Cat came.
Hello. It's an emergency. We need an ambulance.
Your son is fine now.
The kitten told Mom the whole truth about Chucky. He started the machine and then escaped.
Hello, police. Please arrest Chucky immediately.